have my parents out here, and they've been helping. We went to Tractor Supply. We looked at fencing to get the front gate fixed, and we are going to mark the driveway and mow before we leave, and we have to head back to Phoenix. We're just trying to get as much done as we can while we're here, and really thankful that our friends have let us use some of their really expensive toys so we can get around on our property, so we can get some jobs done and make the best use of our time. Such a super blessing. We're so thankful. This is one happy girl. We have just a little bit of work left to do, a couple things left to finish before we head back. This week has been so wonderful. Such a great week. Super chilly. I think it's like 54 degrees right now. It's double that in Phoenix. I'm not looking forward to going back. There's a generator running. Charging the other generator. So Papa and I are gonna go spray the driveway. He's gonna drive and I'm gonna spray. We marked it and we're gonna spray along the flags just in case things come out. Okay, so we're gonna mark out along our trail, and we mark spray paint, so if you drive along where I sprayed and stop every which. Yep. This was where we started to paint, but we're gonna start on the flags, and then you'll see our orange line, it kind of veered this way. So I'm putting flags out, marking the driveway, living free. Driving back up to the front of the property. We're gonna fix the gate, and then my parents are gonna head back to their hotel room. We're gonna get ready to get back on the road. So yeah, if everyone could just pray for my family. We have a lot going on right now, and we're needed back in Phoenix. So my brother's not doing too well, and we need to head back. So until next time, we hope that you're buying dirt, not diamonds, and we're praying you're blessed. We'll see you soon.